to go out right now. Oh, that's my balloons that are left over from my birthday. And I made some coffee for myself. I'm just going out for some errands, so that is why I look the way that I do. I also have to go grocery shopping for next week, so I'm just gonna do all of that today because I'm trying to eat healthier next week. I might film that as a video, I don't know. And then I have to go to PetSmart to get my dog some allergy specific treats. Yeah, I'm gonna start going out now. Let's go! My dog's treats are like a specific brand, and I don't think this is the aisle. It's this one, but I can't find it.
Smells like cute.
You want one?
야, 아니 나 괜찮은데 우리 집도
차
큐일까?
안에다가 귤 먹으래? 하나 주세요.
어? Esther, you trying to buy anything today?
No, I just came along with you guys. So I'll see you guys there.
It smells super good.
Picked up my Sephora. Oh, it smells like fall.
Yeah. It's pretty nice actually. That's not bad.
I feel like you have something similar to it. God bless you.
차가 없네.
Yes?
Yeah.
I look like a bike.
These are called Gregos, I think.
Grego!
See? They look so basic, right? Just like basic Oxfords. 근데 밑을 보면 ew!
I'm tired.
Eat? 누가 내 거 밑밥 다 먹었어?
Why do you always eat and then look at the camera like that?
나 여기서 먹방?
That'd be a good 먹방. 이 종고 있다 여기.
네.
나는 승리와 가위바위보. 오!
나중에 들어가 봐. It's so cute. 너무 진짜 편하겠다 여기 한번 들어가자.
Oh my god.
Oh, I guess it's like you can move it to.
Put your drinks.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, we didn't bring the soju.
Dude, did we not bring any food?
Esther,
Food?
you had one job.
Yeah. Where's the food?
One freaking job. 이거 확실해 근데? You want the second one?
I'll do it in my eyes point of view.
So you're actually gonna carry it?
Esther, 우리가 들어.
내가 들을게, Esther. Hey, give it here.
Esther, if you carry it, we're not walking with you.
This is, I guess, the top of the stand. Am I right? These are all the tools. pencil? I need a screwdriver and a hammer. Let me just bring that really quick. I brought my tools. They're so light. I like it.